You're right.
Who made that? The cows.
The cows did not.
Cows pooped out milk.
No.
And then you.
All right, big man. So it turns out the kids want
Sonic.
blizzards
Yeah, it's Sonic.
from Sonic.
Yeah.
Now, they're struggling to understand that blizzards actually come from Dairy Queen.
No, they don't.
That
They do not. They come from Sonic. Yes. They do.
Sonic did not develop
Well, no.
blizzards.
Wendy's didn't make up blizzard.
You're right. We didn't even talk about Wendy's. Thank you, Sunshine.
Guess
You're
who
right.
made that? The
Who-
cows.
The cows did not.
Cows pooped out milk.
No.
And then you drink milk.
No, they don't poop out milk.
Yeah, they
No, they
You
don't.
go,
That's so disgusting. Your grandma has cows.
I know
You
that.
should know that they do not poop out milk. Okay?
They pee out milk.
They don't pee out milk either.
Oh, so
Hey,
then you
well, hold on. Tell me this. You guys just went and visited the dairy where we
Yeah.
get all of our milk
there's
from.
4.
Okay, but then why don't you know where it comes from? Why are you talking about it poops it out or something?
Because it does.
It doesn't poop it out. All right. So let's go back to
Mom,
Blizzard.
if-
So we're going to the.
Sonic.
We are going to.
Sonic. We're going to Sonic. Yeah, Sonic.
Not Sonic. Okay. That's making Big Man
Dairy farm.
a little bit upset.
Not dairy farm. What did I do?
We are gonna go to Blizzard. We're gonna go get a Blizzard at Dairy Queen
Yeah.
because that is who does Dairy Queen.
Hopefully Daddy's right. If he isn't, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna blow up.
What do you think, big man?
I will float on the floor.
You will throw it on the floor? What will Dad do if you throw your food on the floor?
He'll spank you.
Yes. Why don't you want to go to and get a Blizzard? Did you say you want a Blizzard?
They don't have whipped topping.
Oh, what? What?
They don't have whipped topping. Can you hear us now?
So Sonic puts whipped topping on it,
Yeah.
and that's what the kids like. Well, you're right. Dairy Queen doesn't do that.
Turn around.
Turn around, said no one ever. Anyway, I just thought it was funny that they're confused on where blizzards actually come from, and they think that Sonic does them best, but they really don't. I really think that Dairy Queen, they're the champs of when it comes to blizzards.
They are. Not.
They are
Not.
true.
They are not.
They're true.
No, they are
I've
not.
got our food from Dairy Queen, and big man, what did you get?
Cookie blizzard.
He got a mint
Oreo.
Oreo Blizzard. Do you like it or love it?
Love it.
Okay.
Legendary.
Wow. Okay. Now, what about Sunshine? Sunshine, what did you get?
Casual. I just got M&Ms. And now my ice cream looks like chocolate ice cream.
Wow. So she got M&Ms, and you love it or just like it?
I like it. Legendary.
Whoa, legendary status. Okay, so do you like it more or the same than Sonic?
Like it less.
Less? Really? Big man, what do you think?
Way better.
Way better.
Legendary.
Whoa, that's a lot of legendaries. Okay. That's enough legendaries. Okay, now,
Why you ask?
was Daddy smart, Daddy, for suggesting that we try something new?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me hear that a little louder. I couldn't really hear. Say it again.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, so, hey, kids, sometimes your dad knows what's going on. Daddy has had a couple blizzards before. He understands a little bit about blizzards. Daddy didn't get this tummy from not eating any blizzards. Okay? Daddy is a connoisseur of blizzards. Kind of. A little bit. Okay, a lot. Pieces. Deuces. See you later. Hey, and make sure that in the down below, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for hanging out with us all day.
1,000,000 times.
Hit it 1,000,000 times, he said, and share with your friends.
Let's try to just get 1,000,000 on this video.
1,000,000 on this video.
In one day.
In one day,
No,
probably won't happen. But anyway, thanks, guys. See ya. Peace.
Get that.
Dab, dab. All right, see you guys.